5 stars. Best dealership ever. Amazing. Honest mechanic. Highly recommend. You've seen these reviews on Google, Amazon, Yelp, and more. And most people believe them. But here's the truth. A lot of them are fake. Some are paid for, some are written by employees, some are swapped for gift cards or oil changes. And when it comes to car dealerships, the auto repair shops, the fake review game is out of control. In this video, we're exposing the scam behind these glowing reviews, especially in the auto world, and showing you how to spot a fake review, the shady tactics dealers and mechanics use to boost their ratings, real stories from people who got ripped off, and the tools you can use to protect your wallet from getting scammed. If you believe everything you read online, you should end up with a busted car, drained bank account, and no help. But not you, because you are watching this. Let's go! Car dealerships and repair shops live and die by their online reputation. That's why many of them go to extreme lengths to make sure they look perfect online, even if their real service is far from it. Here's how they do it. Number 1, incentivized review. Many places bribe customers with free oil changes, gift cards, or discounts in exchange for a 5-star review. They won't say it has to be 5 stars, but it's understood. This isn't feedback, it's payment. Number 2, fake accounts. Some shops set up fake Google accounts or hire third-party services to flood their business listing with glowing reviews. These reviewers have no photos, no history, and say the exact same things. Number 3, burying the bad. When a real customer leaves a 1-star review, it gets flagged, reported, or buried under 20 fresh 5-star fakes that show up the next day. This isn't reputation, it's manipulation. Number 4, family and employee reviews. Yes, that perfect review might have come from receptionist's brother or the dealership manager's cousin. And you thought you were reading real opinions. Nope, you're looking at a staged performance. Real people, real losses. Let's talk about what happens when you trust fake reviews. Here is a feedback review. The shop had over 300 perfect reviews. I went in for a brake job. $1,200 later, they said I needed a new suspension. I got a second opinion. None of it was necessary. Second one, bought a car from a 5-star dealership. Turns out the car had been in a wreck. They hit the frame damage. Found out weeks later after the alignment kept failing. Third one, left a bad review and they started harassing me to take it down. They even offered me money. These aren't just bad experiences, these are thousands of dollars lost because of fake star and fake praises. How to spot a fake review? Fake reviews have patterns, and once you know them, you will never look at a 5-star rating the same again. Red flags. Number 1, vague, generic language. Great service, highly recommend, but no details. Number 2, overly emotional or robotic tone. If it reads like a commercial or sounds too scripted, it probably is. Number 3, no reviewer history. Click on their profile. If they only reviewed one place, it's suspicious. Number 4, repetitive phrases across multiple reviews. Fast, honest, affordable. Same words, same structure, lightly planted. Number 5, sudden spike in reviews. A flood of 5-star reviews right after a bad one. They are burying it. Number 6, too good to be true. Perfect scores across hundreds of reviews. Come on, no one's that perfect, especially in car business. Real versus fake reviews side by side. This is the best dealership ever. I got an amazing deal and everyone was super friendly, 5 stars. That's a fake review. Here's a real review. I bought a used Civic here. The sales process was smooth, but I had to wait 2 hours of paperwork. Price was fair, though they were pushy with warranties. See the difference? Real reviews have balance. They mention what happened, not just how the reviewer felt. How to protect yourself. Number 1. Search outside Google and Yelp. Check Reddit, local Facebook groups, and YouTube reviews. Number 2. Use the Better Business Bureau. Search the business on bbb.org. They often list complaints Google won't show. Number 3. Look for patterns over time. Don't be fooled by a few recent reviews. Scroll back 6 to 12 months. Number 4. Check the reviewer's profile. Are they a real person? Do they post reviews consistently? Number 5. Ask around locally. Neighbors, friends, or even Facebook groups will tell you who's real and who is trash. Still not sure? Let the tools do the work. Fakespot.com analyzes Amazon and Yelp reviews for authenticity. ReviewMeta.com helps spot suspicious Amazon product reviews. bbb.org find complaints on dealerships and repair shops. Google Street View, does the shop even look legit? Or is it a garage with 300 5-star reviews? Here's the bottom line. Don't trust the stars. Don't trust the praise. And definitely don't trust the business just because a bunch of strangers said it was amazing. Protect your money. Ask real people. And learn to read between the lines. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with someone buying a car or choosing a shop, and hit subscribe for more real money hacks. Because fake reviews might sell you a lie, but we're here to keep it real.